It was time to get out of Sanur, time to put more travelling in travelling planet Earth. And I couldn't think of a better way than jumping on the bike and stopping in at every beach around Uluwatu. And stick around until the end, because we're on the surf trail and I think I'm about to have the best banana pancake in Bali. But first, let's find that beach. It's only an hour drive down the peninsula, but that depends on traffic. But once you get to Balangan, it's like stepping back into 1970s Bali. Warung's on the beach, surf, slightly undeveloped.
So that was a fantastic ride to Balangan Beach. You can come up here to the cliff top, check out the surf before you go down. There's an easy ride. As you come up, you just turn a right turn, come up to the cliff face. There's a bit of a construction site there, drive through that, come straight up to the cliff face. And this is what you get. Balangan Beach in the morning.
From the cliff top entry point, there's a walkway with stairs down to the beach, but realistically it's probably better going down to the beach at the main entry, parking your bike and walking onto the beach through the Warungs.
I got here about 7:30 in the morning. There's already a lot of surfers out. Weather's good, a little bit overcast, but it looks like a perfect day. So the whole aim of today, try and do about 9 beaches, do all of the main beaches of Uluwatu and just see what they're all like and give you an indication of what it's like and can the trip be done in one day.
Arriving at the Balangan car park, it's a 5,000 Indonesian rupiah fee or 50 cents Australian, and then just a short walk down to the Warungs.
Balangan Beach always feels timeless and untouchable, but you can see the seeds of change starting to happen. Villas are encroaching, the top lookout now has a fence around it. It's still, to me, one of the nicest beaches in Bali, but I can see change. So the plan for today is quite simple. Get on the bike, ride down to the Bukit Peninsula, start from the right hand side, finish up on the left hand side. Balangan Beach, Dreamland, Padang, Bingin, Sulban, Niang, Pantai Nunggalan, Green Bowl, Malasti, Pandawa,
and Gunung Payung.
See if we can get them all in a day. It's probably crazy. You probably want a lot more time to come down and look, but this is the crazy motorbike ride around the Bukit Peninsula. Let's see what we can see. That's a pretty good day for it.
To get to the beach, just walk through one of the Warungs, or through one of the gaps between them, through the old stilts that they stand on, and down to the reef. And then all you've got to do is just relax. The ride to Dreamland Beach is an easy 10 minutes round the corner, down an easy path.
So I've just ridden down the track to Dreamland Beach. Sea looks a bit flat today, but we'll go out and we'll have a look at the beach. This is number 2 in the drive. Always amazing what you see here. Puggy? Yeah. How much is the entrance? 10,000, that's good. So Dreamland's quite a small beach. You walk down this big resort, half built on the right hand side, some eating areas and a lot of areas with lounges.
There wasn't much surf today and the beach seemed quiet. Except for a few local ladies just singing on the beach. Another beach with lounges galore, price negotiable, looking straight down onto the surf.
So Dreamland is a nice beach. It's quite small. It's got a few lounges on it, some places you can get some food, but there is quite a drop off down into the water. When you do get major waves come through, there is a good surf here, but it's probably not the best for swimming. But if you're just going to go down to your waist, yeah, probably all right. But it does have a fair drop off down into the water. So this is Dreamland Beach. It is a nice little beach. I was going to get something to eat here for breakfast, but the prices are around $11 or 110,000 rupiah for a nasi goreng, which is a bit steep. So I might head off to Bingin, see what the beach is like there, see if we can get something to eat.
And if you're in Dreamland and want a little luxury, check out the links to Jumeirah Bali. As soon as you leave Dreamland Beach, there's a right-hand turn shortcut and it's just a quick 5-minute drive to Bingin.
Well, Bingin Beach seems like it's still functioning well. Heard rumours that there's a few buildings that are going to be pulled down, or 45 of them. So I'm going to go down to the waterfront and have a look. When you do get to Bingin, don't follow the map and go all the way down to the stairs. You can't park there. Just before you get here, on the left-hand side, there's a car park. 5,000 rupiah, 50 cents. Easy parking. You're probably going to get that at every beach, to be honest. It'll range from 50 cents to $1. But you just park your bike, then walk up to the walk, up past the Temple Lodge and down the beach. It's funny here, as you're walking, you still hear the roosters, you're still in the middle of nowhere. The beaches here, a lot different to that up at Kuta, Canggu, etc. And it's just a matter of following the windy path all the way to the top of the warungs. Pick one, go down its stairs. You can either eat there or use the lounges or just head down towards the beach. But it is quite a windy track down to Bingin. It's well signposted though. Just about there, I can almost see the water. It's one of those things when you start doing the Uluwatu beaches that you get used to the stairs. You start finding a lot of stairs down.
There is a lot of, let's just say, creative development at Bingin. Let's just see what happens to all this in the future. If you've ever heard of the rabbit warrens of Bingin, well, this is it. Find a track, follow it, and just keep going downwards. There will be hopefully a light or a beach at the end of the tunnel.
So there is a lot of building work going on here, a lot of renovation. I think a lot of places here have been given notice orders, whether that's to move or to renovate or to fix. So I'm going to go to Lucky Fish Lounge, been here before. It's quite a good little spot. Can't beat sitting up here, watching the surf. Well, I waited to Bingin to get some breakfast and it's a perfect day for it. And why not get the pancake, the classic pancake at the beach, and a banana milkshake. A bit different than Kadongan fish markets last week. But here we are on the surf trail, so we might as well have the pancake and the milkshake. Bit of honey on there, bit of whipped cream on the side. Let's get into this. I don't think I have to tell you how good that is. You can see by the look at it. It's pancake, it's honey, it's maple syrup, it's chocolate, it's strawberries, it's got bananas, it's got cream. Yeah, this is a good day out. This is what I'd recommend if you do a day trip. Stop somewhere, have a good breakfast like this, and then maybe by the time we get to Sulban we can have lunch on the cliff face there watching the surfers. Just plan your day out, breakfast, lunch, maybe even stop, like I said last week, at the Jimbaran seafood market or the restaurants on the beach. It's a good day doing that trip around Uluwatu. So at Bingin, it's quite a crowded beach. There is a lot of people down here on lounges, under umbrellas, good surfing beach. Looks like the type of place you'd come and enjoy yourself for a full day. There's lots of places you can sit, you can eat, you can drink, you can surf. It's all here at Bingin.
Join me again next week as I visit Padang Padang, Sullivan, Nyang Nyang, and maybe even get to Uluwatu Temple.